Our focus again is on the war of words between actor Kangana Ranaut and the Shiv Sena. Kangana has responded now to Uddhav Thackeray after he alleged that ganja grows in Kangana's home state of Himachal Pradesh. Calling Uddhav a petty person, Kangana in a tweet has said that Himachal is called Dev Bhumi and it has zero crime rate. She further added that Uddhav should be ashamed and that he is using his power to insult, damage and humiliate people who don't agree with him and that he doesn't deserve the power that he has. Let's in fact listen in to why you've got this kind of a response from Kangana Ranaut, what Uddhav Thackeray said yesterday while attacking Kangana.
हे एकूण असं चित्र म्हणजे मुंबई पाकव्याप्त काश्मीर आहे. महाराष्ट्र मुंबई पोलीस निकम्मे आहेत, ते काय काम करत नाहीये. इकडे सगळे नशिले आहेत, चरस गांजा इकडे उघड उघड विकला जातोय. हे असं सगळं चित्र करायचं त्यांना माहिती नाही अजून की या महाराष्ट्राची जी संस्कृती आहे त्या महाराष्ट्राच्या संस्कृतीमध्ये आमच्या घराघरामध्ये तुळशी वृंदावन आहेत, गांजाची वृंदावन नाहीयेत. असं कोणतं पिक्चर आलं नाही तो मैं गांजा तेरे घर का. हे तुमच्या घरात असेल, गांजाची शेती जिकडे असेल कुठे आहे ते तुम्हाला माहिती आहे.
Across to Pankaj Upadhyay, who is joining us live from Mumbai. Pankaj, it's a sense of deja vu, isn't it? Because we've seen this kind of ugly war of words between Kangana, the Shiv Sena and Uddhav Thackeray in the recent past as well. This time it's over Uddhav's jibe at Kangana. She's responded to him, calling him a petty person. Just give us more details of what she's put out in her response.
Akshita, in the recent past, we've seen how Bollywood actress Kangana Ranaut has taken on Shiv Sena, the cadres as well, and also the senior Shiv Sena leader Sanjay Raut as well, in many of her tweets. But this time around, in a very fiery reaction, she's taken on the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Uddhav Thackeray, directly. And notice the kind of word usage that she has done in her tweets. She said a vulgar display of incompetence, you know, and she says that she's being targeted here by a chief minister. She says that chief minister doesn't deserve the position that he really is in. Now, from here on, let us understand that this might provoke the Sena cadres from here on. Today, of course, Kangana Ranaut was supposed to appear in front of Bandra police station to record a statement, but she is not appearing. She has said that she could appear by 15th of November. She's sought some time. And once again, there could be a scenario wherein we could see a large number of Shiv Sainiks gathering at the airport when she returns again. So it could be really a display of what happened some time back. But this is bound to antagonize, this is bound to provoke the Shiv Sainiks here. As I said, she's taken off the might of Sanjay Raut as well in the past, but this time around, taking on the Chief Minister of a state in such a, in a fiery fashion will really result in Shiv Sena leaders or the cadres.
She's never really held back, has she? But this time targeting Uddhav Thackeray. She's faced complaints in the past for insulting the Maharashtra Chief Minister. This time too, Kangana putting out a series of tweets where she's even said that Uddhav Thackeray's filthy speeches are a vulgar display of his incompetence. That's the extent to which she's gone to attack Uddhav Thackeray. Pankaj, thank you for getting us all the latest on that story.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.